We are here in the parking lot of a Tractor Supply at the, well, one of the Vermont Bird Fanciers Club bird swaps here that I just found out about less than a week ago, and trying to rehome some quail and two of my light Brahmas and take home some turkeys in this crate here. So we'll see how things go. See what everyone's got. Birdies. Bunnies.
On accident.
More bunnies.
Mini Lamont. Yeah. And I changed Buck got with their Lamont dose and well, I don't care.
They're gonna be so cute.
They are gonna be so cute.
Yeah.
Right.
I do, and I'm sure whoever buys
That's a
it.
good evening. We could find you girls at home today. Coil curtains and scissors too. Maybe home you guys today, maybe? Well, came home from the bird swap with two new members here. Uh-oh. Hey, Buck! It's okay, Buck, stop! That wasn't great. Yes, Buck, those are the new turkeys. Apparently they're not used to doggies. Yes, you spooked them a little bit. I know, you didn't mean to, right? Let's try that again without you over there. As I was saying before all hell broke loose, I got two new additions here. A Midget White turkey hen and a tom. I don't know how related they are, so might have to mix that up a little in the future. My bourbon red tom is already very interested in her, so if my blue slate female was interested in him, we might have a little swapping for genetic diversity, but it would be nice to make some straight Midget White turkeys. But I just don't know how related they are. They could be very... So, in the future, we'll try to find another Midget White hen who's not related and see if we can't get some more turkey breeding going on the farm. Turkeys eat a lot, so I don't really want to have more than, say, 5 or 6 ever. And, yeah, these chickens eat a lot, too. So, we'll see.